So I started by mowing the section of the lawn I needed, making sure I get it down as low as possible. I also trimmed out any grass I was not able to get to using the lawnmower. I then started to dig the hole for the flowers. After making the hole, I laid the weed barrier. Then cut out the holes I dug for the weed barrier. I also made sure I made a hole for my sprinklers because I had sprinklers on that section of my backyard. After the weed barrier was secure, I went ahead and inserted the flowers in the hole. I installed the plastic edger, as you can see. After this, it was time to add the mulch on top of the weed barrier. Adding the mulch was the final part and the job was done. Thanks for watching. Hope you are able to now create a flower bed on that empty space in your backyard. See you on the next one.